Having a complete cleaning and disinfection program will help ensure the safety of your staff and guests. There's no better time to begin building this program, and there's no better product to start with than 7-in-1 Concentrate. This powerful product can do the job of 7 individual products. It can be used as a cleaner, sanitizer, fungicide, mildewstat, virucide, deodorizer, and bactericidal. Paired with a State One Solution dilution system, this concentrated disinfectant will become a powerful, ready-to-use product at the push of a button. Clean and disinfect hard, non-porous surfaces around your facility. 7-in-1 Concentrate can be used on a variety of high-touch surfaces, such as doorknobs, light switches, handrails, exercise equipment, and more. This product can also be used to sanitize surfaces such as food prep areas, drapes, shower curtains, and upholstery. With over 65 kill claims, 7-in-1 Concentrate is effective against SARS-CoV-2, MRSA, rotavirus, and more. Ensure that your surfaces are clean and germ-free throughout your facility with 7-in-1 Concentrate, another quality product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.